Of course! Yes. Ayan po mga kaibigan. So ayan, ang mga schedule at kung saan niyo pong matatagpuan. Yung mga paboritong mga artista at mga bisita natin dito po sa Wanted Sweetheart, mga kabarangay. So tayo pa nag-tweet dito at ngayong gabi kasama po natin Julian Nonday, Miserable, ating po pinagbibigyan ng yung mga request.
Ito, 1,000 years.
Meron request na ganyan.
Meron ako dito.
Ayun, parang ito eh, paninda ata, kinita ng paninda niya.
Oo, yun. Kaya ba?
1,000 pesos eh.
Oo, 1,000 eh, mukhang 1,000 nga. Kaya ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Tapos yung lyrics siya. May lyrics ito.
Okay.
May nakatawa ba ito?
Sabayin mo.
Sige, game.
May lyrics naman.
Sige. Kakanta pala tayo ngayon, ano? Kantahan din natin Birthday Girl, si Heather V. Happy birthday! Heather V! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Favorite niya yung 1,000 years.
Talaga?
Oy, birthday niya!
Paano ba yan? Happy Halloween na lang.
Pasensya niyo na po.
Birthday niya pala.
Colors and promises
How to be I'm afraid to fall watching you stare all of my suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer, I would find every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I love you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
Ano yan?
Ayan.
Oh, meron pang request dito eh.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday to you, Papa! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy na birthday, Papa! Sa'yo ang inumin! Sa'yo rin ang bayarin!
Ganun talaga.
Talaga, birthday mo eh.
Okay, ayan. Maraming salamat, Jel. Mika, magandang gabi rin si Rika D. Nakikinig din sa ating ngayon magandang gabi. Ayan po mga kabarangay. Wanted Sweetheart OMG. Kumanta po agad talaga si Julian ng 1,000 years. Umintro pang gano'n. Umintro ka lang pa.
Pasensya. Dancer po ulit. Dancer po ako. Ano pa dyan? Meron pa pali. Ano pa mga kanta natin? Sabihin na natin.
Sa sayaw daw, na yung Miserable.
Oh, game. Ano ba gusto mo? Lap dance?
Little man.
Sabi, hula-hula ho pa. Hula-hula ho.
Ayan, ano yan? Grow old.
Oh, meron na rito eh.
Would you please?
Ayan.
Yan. Para po sa ating mga minamahal na pag Jimmy ganyan. Iniwan, minsan, ay, wala po. Kasi mo ito. Sige, let me be the house.
Oo.
Alam mo, mahal ka pa, pati. Hindi ka na pala mahal. Pahabak mo si Jimmy Bulldog. At gumagawa ka ng kanta eh. Maiiyakin tayo. Somebody told me you believe it. Sakit eh. Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. No. So you walk in out the door. Nobody told me you've been crying every night. You know. Nobody told me you'd been dying. Didn't want to fight. Somebody told me that you fell out of love from me. So I'm setting you free. Set you free. Julian Carlo, ladies and gentlemen. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. Yeah! We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time, one last cry, and goodbye. Just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this. No. But if you love me still and stay, keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this test. We can work through it apart. I just need to get this off my chest, that you'll always have my heart. Let me be the one. Julian. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie.
Pakailang to! Ay! Mapakalo!
So I tell you, I love you last time. Yeah. Yo! Make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. 'Cause all I want to do is throw it on with you. I get your medicine when your tummy aches. Put you a fire if the furnace breaks. It could be so nice growing on with you. Cause I miss you, I miss you. I give you my cold when you are cold, and I need you, need you. I even let you hold my remote control. So let me do the dishes and I can
Ugasan mo na yan!
put you to bed, give me that too much to drink. Oh, I could be the man that goes home with you. Wanna go home with you. Hey.
One more time.
'Cause I miss you, I kiss you, I give you my cold when you are cold, and I need you. I even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen.
Tapos na po.
Oh, I could be the man that was on with you. I could be the man that goes on with you. Woo!
Mga barangay, iruwag parang isaw! Dito lang po sa Wanted Sweetheart. Palak mga barangay.
Nagkatuhugan po mga kabarangay dito po sa Wanted Sweetheart. At ating mga wanted sweetheart, mamaya may makakausap pa tayo whether you like it or not. Twitter.com/papatan971ls. Meron ba mga nag-tweet sa inyo yan? Julian, Ray, ano ba? Sige.
Medyo nagbaha, nag-flood. 57 sa akin. Ilan ba sa'yo? 100 eh. 100 million, 7 million.
Hinahanap, ano to?
Hinahanap kita.
Hinahanap kita. Ano ba yan? Paano ba yan? Sige. Bigyan natin.
Adik sa'yo.
Ayun. Awit sa akin.
Daniel Padilla.
Bilang sawa na sa'kin. Manakwento, manato. Tungkol sa'yo. At sa ligaya. Iyong hati sa aking buhay. Ano yung pinasasipan ikaw? Sa umagat sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumipas. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihing at tadhana. Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Yun na.
Alam mo na mga baka mo eh.
Ala.
Reserve ng mga bosses. Reserve!
Wala na tayong magagawa. Kayo na yan eh.
Yan. Meron pa rito.
Mapakaganda.
Girl on fire. Girl on fire! Sinunog. Nakita mo yung video no, Bobby? Sinunog yung yung Barbie doll. Girl on fire daw. Marry your daughter. But I can do something merry. Parang ganito yun eh. Ito
Ano
ata
ba yung
yun.
major to?
Eh, meron akong Mary eh.
Marry me.
Forever can never be long enough for me. I feel like I am long enough with you. Forget the world now, you won't let them see. There's some things that I can love to do. Oh, Papa Julian.
And the way has lifted.
Yeah, man.
Love has surely shifted my way. Mary. Today and every day. Mary. If I ever got the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will. Bigla-bigla si Papa Lee. Talagang...
Oh, meron pa dito, may habol pa dito.
Ano ta?
Enjoy na enjoy.
Ano talaga?
Julian Crono, Ling Miserable, live ngayong gabi sa One Score.
Going back to Congo where I first saw you. Having my sleeping bag, not on the moon. Got some words on cardboard, got a picture in my head saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Some try to help me money, but they don't understand. I'm not, no, I'm just a broken-hearted man. No, it makes no sense, but what else can I do? How can I move on if I'm still in love with you? Cause if one day you wake up, you find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where on this earth I can be, thinking maybe you'll come back to the place that we meet, and you see me waiting for you from the corner of the street. 'Cause I'm not moving, I'm not moving, yeah, I'm not moving, I'm not
datingan. Yun na.
Na-stuck na. I-stuck ko na po.
Katungtugan na po mga kaibigan. Ito po ang Wanted Sweetheart. Kapiling po Julian Trono and Les Miserables. Papi, piling natin itong song na to. At actually, meron din nag-request sa akin itong mga to. Mga 2.
Uy, pagbigyan natin.
2 dozens na katao.
Jacob ba ito? Jacob?
So, pagbigyan natin at dahil po, belated happy birthday kay Jomil. Birthday pala kahapon.
Uy, happy birthday!
Birthday. Hello din kay Dayan Marasigan.
Hello, Dayan. Hello sa'yo.
Dumidiskarte eh. Dayan and Jomil, belated happy birthday mga kabarangay. 11:37 ang oras natin ngayon. Kapiling pa rin po si Papa Dan. Wanted Sweetheart mga papi, pagbigyan na natin to. Gusto natin pasalamat dahil OPM tayo. Kanina tumira kayo ng mga OPM na kanta. Play natin itong song na ito mga kabarangay. Araw nyo na po pinapanood sa YouTube at sa Facebook. Diba? Itong sa Twitter, mga kabarangay. Nasira na po ang ulo ng ating mga kabarangay. Dahil ito nangyayari pag nababato ang mga OPM grades, papi. Pag bored sila, ganito ginagawa nila. Tumatambay sa bahay ng isa, so record. So ganun po ang nagaganap at ito po ang naging produkto mga kabarangay. So let's play the song. Mga kabarangay, pumroject ng konti, Chito Miranda, Rico Blanco. It's Panahon in the Manang Harana.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, this is foreign music, the OPM mga kabarangay. So Wanted Sweetheart. Tamang relax lang po mga kabarangay. Julian Trono, Les Miserables, Papa Dan sa Barangay LS 97.1.
Tustugan na!
Sumagot talaga ako dun ah.
Okay na na! Yung dami rin clip sa'yo. Diba?
Pwede.
Ate na ako ng heartbeat. Kasi pag ginabasa iba, heartbeat na lang.
Hindi mo ba malaya?
Marami ko order rin, tapos kanina 60 pieces niya rin order rin natin. Trending to trending.
Ano po ba yun? Ayun. Obra, parang sinabi ko rin. Obra, lakas ng Pinas. 11:05. Apo.